Hello friends, good afternoon to all. Yesterday we have completed the poem in the Bazaars of Hyderabad. Now today we start a new topic. New topic means the prose. Education provides a solid foundation. Written by APJ Abdul Kalam. You know about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 1931 and died in 2015. Already you know all about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a very inspiring personality and he has a great contribution to our country in various fields like aerospace and literature also. He has written many books. The famous book of APJ Abdul Kalam is The Wings of Fire, means in Marathi it is also known as Agni Pankha. It's an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. In his autobiography, APJ Abdul Kalam describes all his educational life from childhood up to the grave. In this book, when we read this book, the lines of this book is like a quotation, means the very important lines or very important words described by APJ Abdul Kalam in the book. We know about the APJ Abdul Kalam. Education provides a solid foundation, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist. He is also known as the Missile Man by contributing his science in aerospace scientist. He is also known as, or he is also familiar with us about, he was nominated or elected the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. President of India. He was born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, India, in a middle class Brahmin family. Friends, you know that when we see the all great personalities, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sudha Murthy and all other great personalities, they came from a middle class family and by their hard work they achieved success in various fields. It means that you also can achieve success in your life by reading such type of great books. You also inspires. Next, he has written many books. I earlier told you, The Wings of Fire, India 2020, Ignited Minds and many other books. He has associated with DRDO and ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization and DRDO means Army's Research and Development Organization. He has awards. He has felicitated with many awards such as Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and a most prestigious award, that is Bharat Ratna. Friends, he has nominated as President of India and is considered as the people's president. APJ Abdul Kalam is the only president who considered as the people's president, and he also known as the Missile Man. Then we turn towards the pros. Education provides a solid foundation. Education provides a solid foundation. This extract or this lesson has been called or has been taken from Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography, and this lesson also provides an insight into the formative influences behind Kalam through his teachers, his friends, and his families. No one can learn from the from the stomach of his or her mother. Every person learns all these things in this background who has associated. Now we turn toward the actual lesson. You open your books and see that books. I took some time to settle down at St. George's High School, but when I did, I was aback to being an enthusiastic 15 years old student. I also grew to realize that the desire to learn was very important. Means, when APJ Abdul Kalam has completed his primary education, then he turned towards the St. George's High School. The high school is situated in a town named Ramnathpuram, and he first came in the school. He was very anxious to learn many things, or he has desire to learn the new things. One of my teachers there, Iyadurai Solomon, was an ideal guide. He was warm and open-minded, and he made his students free, comfortable in the class. During my stay at Ramnathpuram, he became my mentor. Means, in high school, APJ Abdul Kalam met a very young and energetic personality. Means, your teacher, his name was Iyadurai Solomon. Iyadurai Solomon was an open-minded man. Means, his attitude was very open-minded or very broad-minded. His students feel comfortable when Solomon sir came in their class, and his influence, means Solomon sir's influence on APJ Abdul Kalam was very significant to develop APJ Abdul Kalam's future. That's why APJ Abdul Kalam called him his mentor. Mentor means guru. An experienced and trusted advisor or guide means guru. He made me realize, among other things, that one could exercise enormous influence. Among other things, that one could exercise enormous influence over the events of one's own life. Iyadurai Solomon taught me that in order to make anything happen, I must desire it intensely. I must also be completely certain that it would happen. I have grown to realize that this kind of conviction is not only a strong motivating force, but it also does make things happen. It means that he learns many things from the Iyadurrai Solomon, his teacher, and he learns the things from the Solomon teacher. And he was very anxious, APJ Abdul Kalam was very anxious to learn new things. That's why the teacher also interested to teach such type of students like APJ Abdul Kalam. Then the next para. I can illustrate this with an example from my own life. I was always fascinated by the mysterious content in the skies. From his childhood, APJ Abdul Kalam told here that he was very anxious or very fascinated by the mysterious content in the skies. When he saw the clouds, in that mind, he thought over the skies. The sky was very bright and very free, and the birds flying in that sky freely. Like that birds, APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to fly at that time when he was only 15 or 16 years old. Equally fascinating was the flight of birds. I earlier told you flight of birds. A simple boy from a remote part of the country. I was convinced that one day I too would fly. In later years, I became the first child from Rameshwaram to fly. Then he wanted that he would fly one day. But the day comes, in later years, he became the first child to fly or to develop his mind in the aeronautical engineering. Today we stop here. The next part of the lesson we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you friends.